Windows 10. Deadline for free upgrade to Windows 10 was July 29th, 2016, and now it's summer 2019, so it's almost 3 years since deadline. I still have a laptop which has Windows 8.0 on it, and I was wondering if it's possible to upgrade it to Windows 10. Because it is an older version of Windows 8 and it is not 8.1. I was wondering if I need to upgrade it to 8.1 first, etc, etc. And I did find out that yes, it's possible to upgrade it to Windows 10. It's possible to do it for free. That's why this video was created, to share the results. Please stay at the screen because the process takes some time, but it is you could download a certain upgrade file from Microsoft website and do it with your laptop or PC or whatever computer you've got, and to upgrade Windows 7 or Windows 8.0, Windows 8.1 to Windows 10 for free. All you need for this upgrade is 8 GB of free space on your computer, and you need an internet connection. Actually, you need 8 GB of space not only on your computer but on C drive of your computer, and it took me some time to free this space. Keep it in mind that you need 8 GB of space on C drive of your computer in advance prior to installation this upgrade. I have two laptops. One has Windows 8.0 on it, another one has Windows 7 on it, and Microsoft has another deadline, which is January 14th, 2020, which is next year, when Microsoft is going to stop supporting Windows 7. So at that time probably I will upgrade Windows 7 to Windows 10 as well. In order to be able to do it offline without internet connection and to do your upgrade to multiple computers, you would need USB stick. So if you've got everything ready, let's get started. You need to paste a link which is below this video into your browser, and you're going to be redirected to Microsoft website, which has a Windows 10 installation media tool. Actually, this is an upgrade. So in order to get started, let's double check if it is applicable to your Windows version. And as you see, it is applicable. I mean, you could upgrade Windows 7, you could upgrade Windows 8, 8.1, and all of it is going to be upgraded to Windows 10. So in order to start, you need to push this download tool now button. So that's what I did. When you click on this download tool now button, please go to your downloads folder, and what you're going to find out is the new file which is going to appear in there. So you need to double click on this file, and the execution of Windows 10 installation starts. When you double click on this file, there is going to be another window, which is a Windows 10 setup window, which is going to appear, and it will take some time for program to initiate, because you've got this message getting a few things ready. And in order to save time, I did cut video in pieces, and let's see what happens next right away. So after a while, you're going to have another window to appear, which is Microsoft license terms, and as you see, you just need to accept it. So after accepting the terms, you are going to jump further. After some time, this window is going to change to give you additional selections, and please keep attention, because you could either upgrade this only PC to Windows 10 and do it right away from internet, or you could create a USB drive or flash USB, which is going to be good for multi-PC, multi-laptop installation. That's what I did prefer, and I am doing this second selection. And as you see, there is a language which you could change from English to any other language, and it is Windows 10, and I've got 64-bit version of Windows installed on my laptop, so I'm keeping the selection, and I'm going to create USB flash drive, not to burn ISO file. You need to confirm the path to your USB flash drive. In my case it is F drive, and if you didn't, if you forgot to insert it, you could insert it and it's going to appear in this window, and after that you are going to confirm that yes, it is F USB flash drive, and Windows 10 is going to be downloaded from internet, is going to be temporarily installed on your C drive. That's why you need this 8 GB of space, and your USB stick is going to be always attached to the computer, and this program is going to be transferred and installed on your USB stick for multi-station installation. So as you see, this window shows that it is downloading Windows 10, and there is progress bar which is going to be gradually, it's going to gradually increase and show you what is the progress of this download. But in my case it took about an hour to create this multi-laptop, multi-PC installation USB drive. So I did cut video, and let's go to the next stage, which is going to be actual Windows 10 upgrade or Windows 10 installation, because after the first stage of 1 hour you are going to have USB stick in your hand with Windows 10 installed on it. Let's go to the second part, which is actual installation of Windows 10 on your laptop or PC. First part was just creation of this USB flash drive with Windows 10 on it. So in order to do installation of Windows 10, you need to insert this USB flash drive in your laptop or PC. You don't need to reboot your laptop. Laptop could be running Windows 8 on it or Windows 7, whatever is installed. You just need to insert this USB stick with Windows 10 on it into your laptop. As you see, I've got USB F drive inserted in my laptop, and let's see how much space window files take on it. So we've got 14 gigabytes of space of laptop, and 10 gigabytes are free, so it's about 4 gigabytes are installed of Windows 10 files. You need to go inside of USB F drive, and there is setup file, and you need to double click on it. So when you double click on this file, installation of Windows 10 begins on your laptop. And this process actually took about 2 hours to install Windows 10 on my laptop. So as you see, Windows installation window appears, and there is a progress, and again it is preparing actual Windows 10 installation on your laptop. So it takes some time, and after a while you are going to have this confirmation window to appear, and to install Windows 10 on your laptop, and you just need to click next, and you are going to have these two selections to download and upgrade your drives right away, or I select another choice which is not right now, and click next again, because my laptop might be connected or not connected to internet. So it takes some time again, and again you are going to have another window to appear, which is actual Microsoft license. You need to accept the terms of this license of Windows 10 installation, and you need to click this accept button. After a while you are going to have another making sure you are ready to install window to appear. Actually I didn't prepare my laptop at all, so it had Windows 8.0 installed on it, and I had Microsoft Office and all other programs to installed on it, and I didn't do any preparations. So what Windows 10 installation was doing, it was checking if I've got if all my programs which are installed on Windows 8 are compatible with Windows 10. I had to switch to outside camera because Windows were going to reboot my laptop several times, and as you see I did press another confirmation button, which is next, and after that you've got another very long period of time when you are going to have this installing Windows 10 screen on your laptop, and you are going to have this progress bar to work to increase. Actually it took about 1 hour to create this USB drive, and about 2 hours in my case to install Windows 10. So you need to allocate the whole evening or whatever. You could do it on weekend to install to upgrade your laptop from Windows 8 or Windows 8.1 or from Windows 7 to Windows 10. It took a while, but after a while you are going to have this password screen to appear. As you see, Windows 10 is installed, and I'm entering password, and we're going to next screen. So Windows 10 is going to show us some messages. Hi, and we've got some updates for your PC, and another message. This might take several minutes, and we've got this blue screen. Actually it takes for a while again, so I'm going to cut this video and to show you what is going to be next, because this takes about, I don't know, 20 minutes or so. After some time this blue screen is going to change to another window. You could modify all these settings, or you could just accept them, because you've got privacy settings on your device. So I just click accept for a while, and let's see. Oh, we've got this Windows 10 finally installed, and I've got all my files, not files but programs which are in there. I double clicked on Microsoft Word to see if it is working properly, because it is another operating system, and let's see if it's going to start normally. So as you see, Microsoft Word, I've got older version 2010, but it started properly, so everything works, and we've got Windows 10. So installation was a total success. This video was brought to you by coolmodernstuff.com. If you are interested in gadgets, phone cases, leather accessories, please visit the website. Maybe you'll find something interesting for you. Actually, USB drive, key-shaped metal USB drive that you could carry everywhere with you, and this leather pouch which could accommodate all your keys and some other stuff. You could buy it at this site. If you're interested, please click link below this video.